How do I remove my AirPods from my device list?
Hello, and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about how to remove your AirPods from your device list. This is something you might want to do if you're planning to sell your AirPods, or if you're having issues with connectivity and you want to start fresh. Let's dive in.
What device are you using?
The steps to remove your AirPods from your device list can vary slightly depending on whether you're using an iPhone, an iPad, a Mac, or a different type of device. For this video, we will focus on instructions for the iPhone, iPad, and Mac.
Unpairing AirPods from an iPhone or iPad.
To unpair your AirPods from your iPhone or iPad, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Scroll down and tap Bluetooth. 3. Find your AirPods in the list of devices and tap the I icon next to them. 4. Tap Forget this device, and then confirm your decision. Your AirPods should now be removed from your device list.
Unpairing AirPods from a Mac.
Unpairing your AirPods from a Mac involves a similar process. 1. Click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen and select System Preferences. 2. Click on Bluetooth. 3. Find your AirPods in the list of devices and hover over them until you see an X appear. 4. Click on the X and then click Remove to confirm your decision. Once again, your AirPods should now be removed from your device list. And that's it. You've successfully unpaired your AirPods from your device. This should help you to sell your AirPods, fix any connectivity issues, or simply declutter your device list. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.